Hey, how you doing? Just from Medical. Are you in or out? Reduction technique workshop. So I've been offering this workshop for a while, and then just now we have our latest edition, Jenny. So I'm gonna bring tip, finger dislocation, elbow, and also butt. Shoulder dislocation and Jenny, so all four model will be there at the workshop. I usually have 40 minutes, 35-40 minutes of PowerPoint presentation, and then a quick Q&A, and then going to hands-on. So it lasts an hour and 10 minutes. It's not too long. I'm trying to have more hands-on part. If you're interested, let me know. 25 people is the cap for one session. I can do the PowerPoint presentation part, for let's say 200 people or 2,000 people. But once I get to hands-on, I only have one set of shoulder, elbow, finger, hip. So people gotta wait long time. So that's why the reason the cap is 25. So of course it's with the fee. So let me know if you want to have a workshop, toki at mn-medical.com. Thank you.